Not everyone who wants to refine their nose needs surgery. Today, non-surgical nose jobs are one of the fastest growing options for subtle, beautiful results. So what is a non-surgical nose job? It's basically using an injectable filler to correct bumps. You can hide them by injecting above and below, lifting the tip, correcting asymmetries. And it's a great non-surgical way that, if done safely, can really give a nice change. So who would be an ideal candidate for this? We're going to be adding to the nose. So if you want your nose to actually physically be smaller, a non-surgical nose job is not the way to do it. But if you have fairly minor changes that you want to create, you can really take a bumpy nose, a nose that's drooping down, and you can help by injecting onwards. You can help to refine, uplift the nose, and even use a tiny little bit of Botox at the tip to keep the nose from drooping down when you smile. Here's a before and after, and you can see the patient had a bump. They wanted it to be less conspicuous, a little elevation to the tip and refinement, and you can see that basically just in an office visit with no recovery, no downtime, the patient has a transformed look. The benefits of a liquid rhinoplasty is you get immediate results. It's painless, no downtime, and more affordable short-term option. So what are some of the limitations? It's not gonna make your nose smaller. And if that's what you really want, then that's gonna be the surgical option. And for many others, this is actually like a great try kind of before you jump into surgery. You can kind of try on and see what a change in your nasal appearance will look like. Another benefit or limitation is that the results are temporary. Usually it will last about a year or two, and that can be a good thing, or sometimes you want it to last longer, and then we'll consider the surgical result. It's incredibly important for a nasal filler, but really for all fillers, that you are being injected by expert hands who have knowledge of anatomy, because we want to avoid, particularly for the nose, vascular complications. If you're curious about refining your nose without surgery, liquid rhinoplasty is a great way to start.